Hello to the good people of this island. What are you doing today? Huh? Why are you all going this way? What has happened? Oh my god, no! 500 people at one point. Okay, I think that this agent has a problem. Don't worry. Forget about the main project. This is very beautiful. Huh? Oh my god. What the hell? It is really fun. Well, anyway. Today, we want to create a population. Not like this one, of course, so that we can simulate the coronavirus in them. I think it will be very cool. So, let's do this. Well, we want to make our beautiful island. Of course, it doesn't have to be very beautiful. We just want an environment to put people in. I learned how to make this water from the Good Blackie channel. I love it. Bravo, this is exactly what I wanted. Now let's go and put the people on this beautiful island. Well, in this project we use 42 different people for beauty. So, to test, I created a system where a person randomly chooses a point on the island and goes towards it. Then we add trees and houses to our island and update the average. Now, I wrote a code to randomly spawn people at the doors of the houses and added it to the prefab house. I also made a manager that gives the spawn command to the houses. Well, now we say good morning to the good people of our island. Of course, as you can see, it has a bug and people spawn on top of each other at the doors of the houses. We solved this problem very simply by checking whether there is a person around each person or not, and then we wake the person up. Now we added the UI so that we can see how many people are awake or asleep. For the community, we define waking and sleeping times, which means how long each person is asleep and how long they are awake. And we want to show with a few examples how the change of these parameters have an effect on the average number of awake people in the society. Thinking about this topic will help us in the next video to better understand what we should have done against Corona. So, we set the sleep time to 5 and the awake time to 15 and test the community for 30 days. Each day is set to 30 seconds. As you can see, this graph is the result and shows the number of people outside every day. And the average number of people outside is 109.39. Well, now we increase the awake time, and it can be seen that the number of awake people per day has increased. As in the graph, the average number of awake people has increased. This is even true for awake time equal 25 seconds. This number is much higher for awake time equal to 30 seconds. So that on average 121 people are awake per day. And this is for when we increase the sleep time, which confirms our intuition because the average decreases. Well, now we will add the UI to see the status of people's decisions, their wake time and the sleep time, and when they want to go to sleep. Okay, so we can say with the proposed test that the number of awake people has a direct relationship with awake time and an inverse relationship with a sleep time. And this issue can help us. And in fact, we can use these two parameters in the simulation of corona disease. We can consider it as the culture of the society. So, in the next video, we will check which culture has the best results against the coronavirus. Until the next video, bye bye.